Discovering the large-tailed nightjar, a nocturnal symphony. In the enchanting landscapes of the Indian subcontinent, the large-tailed nightjar unveils its nocturnal charm. This intricately patterned bird gracefully roosts on the ground or low branches, favoring open forests, secondary growth, and cultivated areas. Cloaked in brownish-gray hues, adorned with a rich brown ear patch and chestnut and black dappled wings, it reveals bright white tail corners when startled. This captivating creature is not confined to the wilderness. It occasionally graces parks and gardens, where it skillfully hunts for insects beneath street lamps. Its soft, repeated talk song resonates in the night, reminiscent of a car's locking sounds. To witness this nocturnal symphony, venture to the Kalagar Tiger Reserve in Uttar Pradesh, where the large-tailed nightjar paints the night with its enchanting presence. Asian Paradise Flycatcher, elegance in flight. Moving south to the dense forests of the Indian subcontinent, we encounter the Asian Paradise Flycatcher. This migratory beauty, with its long tail and vibrant plumage, graces the landscape during the summer season. Discover the enchanting courtship rituals and the shared responsibilities of this socially monogamous species. Discover the amazing Asian Paradise Flycatcher on our recommended tours to Kanha, Bandhavgarh, Dudwa, Corbett, and Rajaji. Enjoy the beauty of these places and see the stunning Asian Paradise Flycatcher in its natural home. Sarus crane, sentinel of marital fidelity. In the heartland of Uttar Pradesh and beyond, we meet the Sarus crane, the tallest and only resident non-migratory crane in India. Symbolizing marital fidelity, this majestic bird stands at 5.6 feet. Delve into the challenges it faces and the urgent need for conservation to protect its vulnerable existence. The toughest contender for the position of the Indian national bird, the Sarus crane is the only resident non-migratory crane of India. It is also the tallest crane, standing at a height of 5.6 feet. Found mostly in Uttar Pradesh, also Sarus crane is the state bird of Uttar Pradesh, parts of Rajasthan, Haryana. The Sarus crane is also considered a symbol of marital fidelity in India since they are believed to mate for life. Places to go for Sarus crane: Kealadio National Chumbal Sanctuary, Sultanpur National Park. Himalayan Monal, nature's living palette. Discover the Himalayan Monal, a stunning avian wonder gracing the heights of Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Uttarakhand, and Arunachal Pradesh. Outshining even the peacock, this bird showcases iridescent plumage, a metallic head, and unique features. Known as the Himalayan pheasant, it captivates in Chapta, Kedarnath, and North Sikkim. In its first year, genders mirror each other, with males distinguished by a larger size and black feathers on neck and breast. Witness the living rainbow, a testament to the Himalayas' natural splendor. Destinations to explore for Himalayan Monal: Chapta, Kedarnath, Pangalaka, Longthong, Zuluk, North Sikkim. Discovering nature's palette, the Indian Trogons. Celebrated for ages, redheads hold an enduring allure, and Indian Trogons are no exception. With its distinctive blue bill, mesmerizing blue eye ring, and vibrant red and yellow plumage, this avian gem stands in a class of its own. Particularly in the eastern regions of India and neighboring countries, the Indian Trogon unveils a captivating chapter in the rich tapestry of nature's vibrant palette. Explore the intricate beauty and uniqueness of this avian masterpiece as you journey through the lush landscapes of subtropical and tropical forests in the eastern parts of India. Destinations for spotting Indian Trogons: Manas, Dang Patkai. Exploring the vivid realms, Mrs. Gould's Sunbird. Nestled in the enchanting landscapes of the northeastern states of India, Mrs. Gould's Sunbird graces temperate forests and lush montane woodlands with its vibrant presence. This colorful avian marvel earned its name from the renowned British ornithologist, John Gould, who bestowed this lively creature as a gift to his wife, setting an exceptional standard for romantic gestures. Despite its diminutive size, Mrs. Gould's Sunbird is a powerhouse of energy, epitomizing the spirited nature of these delightful birds. Unveiling its nesting habits, we delve into the intricacies of its daily life, discovering the uniqueness that sets it apart among the 12 sunbird species found in India. Join us on a journey to appreciate the vibrant hues and lively character of Mrs. Gould's Sunbird, a testament to the boundless wonders found in the heart of India's diverse avian tapestry. Places to go for Mrs. Gould's Sunbird: Eaglenest, Mishmi Hills, Tumling, Mainam, Denalti. Exploring the enchanting world of the Oriental Dwarf Kingfisher. Known by various names such as the black-backed kingfisher or the three-toed kingfisher, the Oriental Dwarf Kingfisher is a diminutive marvel that graces the southwestern regions of the Indian subcontinent. Thriving amidst the dense and shaded forests of the Konkan region, this pipsqueak of a bird captivates with both its exotic name and enchanting characteristics. Adding to its allure, the Oriental Dwarf Kingfisher crafts nests resembling horizontal tunnels, extending up to a meter in length. The nesting period, spanning 30 to 45 days, leads to the emergence of vibrant young birds. These fledglings experience a diverse and nutritious diet, including crabs, snails, frogs, geckos, crickets, dragonflies, and more, an eclectic menu reminiscent of the varied tastes found in French cuisine. Beyond its charming appearance, the Oriental Dwarf Kingfisher invites us into a world of intricately designed nests and a culinary journey that mirrors the richness of its habitat. Witnessing the harmonious blend of nature's artistry and the avian world, this kingfisher stands as a testament to the captivating wonders nestled in the heart of the Konkan region's lush and shaded forests. Places to gore for Oriental Dwarf Kingfisher: Konkan Coast, Alibag, Maharashtra, Goa, Dang Patkai WLS, Assam. The Laughing Dove, a delightful resident of the Indian subcontinent. The laughing dove is a charming resident breeder who graces the dry scrub and semi-desert habitats of the Indian subcontinent. This small long-tailed pigeon, closely linked to the spotted dove, enchants with its presence. Also known as the laughing turtle dove, palm dove, and Senegal dove, it adds a delightful touch to the landscapes of India. Greater Painted-Snipe, a captivating presence in the Indian subcontinent. Discover the elegance of the Greater Painted-Snipe, a medium-sized wader predominantly found in the Indian subcontinent. With its long reddish-brown bill, distinctive eye patch, and captivating colors, this bird graces the fringes of reed beds along Indian marshes, swamps, ponds, and streams. The female, larger and more vividly colored, leads courtship, showcasing the unique dynamics of this avian gem. Shy and elusive, the Greater Painted-Snipe adds a touch of allure to India's wetland landscapes. The splendor of the peacock or the Indian peafowl, a symbol of elegance. Embodying grace and beauty, the Indian peafowl, commonly known as the peacock, stands as the revered national bird of India. Beyond its ornate appearance, peafowls hold sacred significance in Hinduism, with the eye-like spots on their tails symbolizing divine watchfulness. Draped in thick blue-green plumage, these majestic birds perform an iconic rain dance during mating rituals, an enchanting display that echoes through rainforests and grasslands. To be precise, peacock denotes the males, while peahen refers to the females, collectively known as peafowl. In the heart of Indian landscapes, their natural beauty flourishes, becoming a testament to the nation's rich biodiversity. Whether admired in solitude or witnessed in a collective party, the Indian peafowl captivates with its regal allure, leaving an indelible mark on the canvas of India's natural treasures.